I got a new watch. It's a Breitling 41mm Navitimer with the B01 movement. It's the latest version, so it comes with the new folding clasp instead of the old one, and a strap that is usable with both a clasp and a folding clasp instead of the sliding one before. Now, I have been eyeing this exact watch, for a long time, probably a year. It has been sold to me by Borysenko, or however that is pronounced. And I suspect that there are a few reasons why this watch took so long to sell. It for sure wasn't the price. These watches have a retail price of more than 9,000 euros. On Chrono24, the average price is around 6,000 euros for a used one, new slightly higher. But this was advertised at 5,000, which was already great. Then it reduced to 4.5. And ultimately, I picked it up for 3,800 euros. So how can it be that a watch is sold so cheaply? Well, first of all, Borysenko is located in Ukraine. Chrono24 does not offer their certified checkout, or whatever it's called, in Ukraine. So the seller requested payment via bank wire. Directly to the bank, you do feel like this might be a scam. But they have been on Chrono24 for a very long time. So ultimately I figured, okay, let's just bite the bullet. Second part is it's in Ukraine. Technically, you have to pay taxes from importing from Ukraine, and Ukraine is still at war. So what happens to DHL if they get attacked for some reason? Those were all scenarios that played in my head, but ultimately I figured, okay, let's just take the deal. Also because Borysenko said that there is no taxes. And looking at DHL tracking, I can see that this watch was actually shipped from Bulgaria, which is part of the EU. So indeed, no taxes. Now, whether this watch was physically located in Bulgaria or they transported it up on sail to Bulgaria and shipped it from there, I have no idea. But it got here next day. And it is great. And the funny part is, Breitling registers every watch in their blockchain. So I didn't get it with papers or a box. It came shipped like this. Packaging was not great at all, in my opinion, but it arrived without damage. I did have another box, so no harm, no foul. So the thing is with Breitlings, they all come, well, from factory, they come with this card with the QR code. This is from a different watch, which I do not own. I just happen to have a box and a card. Usually what you would do is you would scan the QR code and it would be registered in your wallet, essentially, and you would be the owner. So I went to the Breitling website and I filled in the reference and the serial number. And to my surprise, it registered without any issues. And it actually showed me that the watch was almost 2 years old, which still had, and this is the kicker, warranty until 2031. So I bought this watch for a steal, and it comes with warranty for the next 6 years. That's crazy. So I was doubtful about purchasing from this seller, but ultimately it all worked out. But I took a gamble and it paid off. I would definitely consider buying from them again if they have a good offer. That's it for now. That's my new watch and my experience with the seller, Borysenko, on Chrono24. They did not ask me to make this video. I just figured I would share my experience. Hopefully this is helpful to anyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.